What's going on, you little gems? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Melanie and I am one half of 2CO, Crystals Camping and Outdoors. And today we're starting our Let's Discuss series, so come along. So in this Let's Discuss series, we're going to be talking about all things crystals, camping, and outdoors. Today, we're discussing 5 different topics for pre-travel and packing for your upcoming trip. Starting off with topic number 1, choosing a camping style and location that fits you. So there's a few main ways that people like to go camping. First off, you have roughing it, staying in a tent, being in the outdoors, being in nature. Next, you have some people that maybe like taking a camper or an RV to go on some adventures. Or maybe you're one of those people that likes having all the comforts and you stay in like a rental cabin or an Airbnb or a hotel. It's okay. All ways are camping, as long as you're outdoors and in nature and enjoying yourselves. That's what really matters. We actually have a trip coming up soon, and we decided that we're going to go tent camping this time. You also need to choose where you're going to go. What interests you? What places would you like to see? We like mining, so we're going to go somewhere that we can go find some gems. Talking about locations, that takes us into topic number 2, how we prepare and where we decide where we're going. First off, you need to research your campsite or a campground that you'd like to stay in. Make sure that it's kind of near the destination you want to go. So for us, we actually found a campground that's only 7 minutes from the mine that we want to go looking for gems. Next, you need to go ahead and book your campsite. Again, make sure that it's a campsite that's going to work for you. If you're tent camping in the middle of the summer, try not to stay in the middle of the field. It's probably going to get really hot. And if you're staying in an RV, it's probably not best to take a little tiny 20-foot spot where there's a bunch of trees. You're just not going to fit. So just be smart about it. Once you've decided where you're going and when you're going, then you have to start packing. Don't worry, we got you covered. Check out our link below, and we have a whole ultimate camping guide that gives you all of our packing lists, food grocery shopping lists, and much, much more. So check it out in the description below. Moving on to topic 3, packing tips. One thing we like to do is put all of our clothes, food items, electronics, anything we're afraid that's going to get ruined, we go ahead and put them in giant tote bins. That way we know everything's going to stay dry if there is some nasty weather. We also like to put our other items that we're going to use right away or we're going to use the whole weekend. We'll put them in reusable grocery bags. That way they're easier to store and just out of our way. Do take into consideration though when you're packing that you don't overpack. Make sure you have enough room in your vehicle for all the bins and bags that you want to bring. Moving on to topic 4, meals and groceries. Like I mentioned earlier, down in the description, we have our ultimate camping guide. We actually added in a grocery list and helpful tips for when you're camping. One good practice we like to use is we don't actually do our grocery shopping until we get to our destination. That way, we don't have to worry about anything spoiling on the way there. We can take our time shopping, and we're only going to buy what we actually eat. There's nothing worse than coming home with food. Another helpful tip is that you can actually pre-cook some of your food before you go on your trip. We like to do that with some of our one-pot meals, and it makes it so much easier when you're camping. All you have to do is heat everything up, and you're ready to go. Moving on to topic number 5, needs and wants. It might sound silly, but some people, they want to be comfortable when they're camping. I myself like to have certain things that most people wouldn't even think of or want while they're camping. But for me, if I'm going to sacrifice a few other items, I'd rather be comfortable in different places. If you're short on space, once you get to your campsite or in your vehicle, only bring what you need. If you have a little extra space, it's okay to bring a few things that you might want while you're out there. The biggest thing is making sure that you're comfortable. You're the one that's out there camping. So make sure that your setup works for you. Some items that we like to bring when we're glamping is a real home coffee pot, some portable shelves to act like a nightstand. We also bring lights for our canopy and for inside our tent. And we also like to have an outdoor rug so that inside doesn't get too muddy if there's nasty conditions. Remember, it's all about making yourself comfortable when you're out there, but bring stuff that you need also. So that's the end of our Let's Discuss today. We went over 5 different topics for pre-travel and packing for your next camping trip. Don't forget that we have that link in the description to our ultimate camping guide. And if you have any questions or you want to give us some feedback, make sure you drop it down below in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. If you have some new topics you want us to discuss next time, let us know. Thanks for being here, you little gems. We'll see you on the next Let's Discuss series. Bye!